we'll guide you through how to add an outline text in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Blender on your computer using the desktop Start menu. Search for the Blender software, and then tap on it to launch the program. Once the default scene appears, delete the default cube by pressing X and selecting Delete. Next, press Shift+A to open the Add menu. Go to Text and select Text to insert a new text object. Press Tab to enter edit mode. Delete the default text and type your desired word. Press Tab again to return to object mode. Now, go to the Properties panel on the right side and click on the Text Properties icon, represented by the letter A. Scroll down to the Geometry section and increase the Extrude value slightly to give the text thickness. Then, adjust the Bevel Depth to soften the edges if needed. To create the outline effect, select the text object, press Shift+D to duplicate it, and right-click to keep the duplicate in the same position. In the Properties panel, go to Object Data Properties again and increase the offset value of the duplicated text to expand it outward. This will act as the outline. Next, add materials by selecting the original text object, going to the Material Properties tab, and clicking New to choose a color for the main text. Then, select the duplicated outline text, add another material, and choose a contrasting color, such as black, for the outline. Finally, make final adjustments by scaling the outline text slightly using S if needed to enhance visibility. Ensure both text objects are properly aligned and centered in the scene for a clean appearance. You can use the Move tool or press G to reposition them if necessary. Adjust the thickness and bevel settings again if the outline looks too thin or too strong. Additionally, you may rotate or scale the entire text object to better fit your composition. Check the viewport shading by switching to Material Preview or Rendered mode to see the colors more clearly. If needed, adjust lighting in the scene to highlight the outline effect and improve visibility. Once satisfied, save your project by going to the File menu and selecting Save As, then choose a location and file name. This completes the process of creating outline text in Blender successfully.